Now to Georgia, where former President Donald Trump and his alleged 18 co-conspirators have less than 10 days at this point to turn themselves in, as former Vice President Pence weighs in on the new indictment for the first time. Our chief Washington correspondent Jonathan Karl has the latest. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Lindsay. Yes, they have to turn themselves in by the end of next week. And now District Attorney Fani Willis has said that she wants them to make their first court appearance, Donald Trump and those 18 other co-defendants, first court appearance the week of September 5th, right after Labor Day, for their arraignment. And unlike Trump's previous court appearances, this one is expected to be televised. The case against Donald Trump in Georgia is the most ambitious yet, a sweeping 41-count indictment with 18 co-defendants. And now prosecutor Fani Willis is laying out an aggressive timeline, too. In a new court filing, she proposed the trial start March 4th, one day before Super Tuesday, when 14 states are expected to hold their primaries.
We do want to move this case along.
Legal experts say that's a tough timeline. They will almost certainly be pushed back, with a multitude of legal motions from Trump and the other defendants. Former Chief of Staff Mark Meadows has already filed to have his case moved to federal court. A hearing on that is set for August 28th. There's no sign Trump's indictments have hurt his standing among Republican primary voters. But our new ABC News Ipsos poll found that 50% of all Americans say that he should suspend his campaign because of the charges. While most prominent Republicans are defending Trump against the charges, Mike Pence reacted to the Georgia indictment by saying, quote, "No one is above the law."
The Georgia election was not stolen, and I had no right to overturn the election on January 6th.
That echoed Georgia's Republican Governor Brian Kemp, who said the 2020 election in Georgia was not stolen. For nearly 3 years now, anyone with evidence of fraud has failed to come forward under oath and prove anything in a court of law. Ron DeSantis also said Wednesday that he believes Georgia's 2020 election was legitimate. Despite that lack of evidence, Trump announced he will hold a press conference on Monday, where he claimed he will provide proof for allegations of fraud that have been thoroughly disproven. That press conference is now very much in doubt. Multiple sources tell ABC News that Trump's legal advisors have told him that holding such a press conference with more dubious claims about election fraud in Georgia would only complicate his legal problems. His lawyers have asked him to cancel that press conference. The status of it is now very much up in the air. But of course, if he comes forward, Michael, those allegations in Georgia have been thoroughly disproven over and over and over again.
Well, John, we'll see if he takes the advice of his lawyers. Thank you so much for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.